Hello and welcome to Section 5, Deployment Configuration on Azure. Recently, application containerization has become very popular and for good reason. Containerization allows for optimal resource utilization of your infrastructure. It also helps in critical aspects of the applications like fault tolerance, high availability, ease of deployment, and scaling the applications. Moreover, the use of containerization enhances the developer experience and avoids many pitfalls associated with distributed development. So, taking our cloud-native application one step further, we will deploy it in a containerized environment. In this section, we will walk you through multiple exciting technologies to develop and deploy an application to the Azure cloud in a containerized fashion. Specifically, we will use Java Spring Boot for application development, Docker and Kubernetes for container deployments, and Azure Kubernetes Service to host the application. This course assumes a basic understanding of core containerization concepts such as containers, container images, and Docker commands. For a quick refresher on Docker, you can visit docs.docker.com. For this demo, our application will run in a Docker container. The steps we'll use to deploy our sample application will be the same for virtually any Java containerized app you're working on. We're going to use Azure Portal and Azure CLI commands to deploy this application, so get ready to follow along. If you want to refer to any command, please feel free to pause or slow down the video while you're trying out the commands or actions in your own environment. In this section, we'll use Azure Kubernetes Service for deployment of our app in Docker containers. First, let's understand what Kubernetes is in our first video, Introduction to Azure Kubernetes Service. Kubernetes is a portable, extensible, open source platform for managing containerized workloads and services that facilitates both declarative configuration and automation. Azure Kubernetes Service, or AKS, is a managed Kubernetes offering from Azure, which means Azure Kubernetes Service manages your Kubernetes cluster for you. AKS simplifies the deployment and operations of Kubernetes and enables you to dynamically scale your application infrastructure with confidence and agility. This managed Kubernetes service makes it efficient and easy to deploy and manage containerized workloads without any container orchestration expertise. It also eliminates the burden of ongoing operations and maintenance by provisioning, upgrading, and scaling resources on demand without taking your application offline or incurring significant downtime. So, if you want your application to leverage the best of what cloud-native patterns have to offer, then this is one service which you must use.